Hello. In this tutorial, we will be looking at how to clear your iPad's camera roll if you happen to get a message like the one on the screen here. iPad storage full, you do not have enough space to record video. Sometimes this will also troubleshoot this error message here if you get something that says cannot load photo. So usually if you get any variant of that error message, it is because your iPad is full of apps that you've downloaded and or photos and videos that are on your camera roll. Firstly, you can find photos during the school day setting by looking in the parent folder. In the parent folder, there are these apps here, and photos is on the bottom row, second column. I'll click on that. And if it comes up to a photo, the way to see your gallery of photos is to tap on the screen and swipe down. So that's what I'm doing here. Tap on the screen, swipe down, and I can see all my photos on the iPad, which are memes. So I have all these memes on my iPad that I want to delete. To bulk delete photos, in the top right-hand corner of my iPad, I have the select button where it will allow me to tap on a photo to put a check mark on it. So the first photo in my roll, I have a check mark next to, second photo, third. I can tap on as many photos and videos as I need to delete those items. So if I go through my camera roll and find the items that I've already turned into Seesaw or that I don't want anymore, I can put check marks next to those items. I'll put check marks next to those last two items on the bottom of my roll there. It says 2 photos selected, and then I can click on the trash can icon in the bottom corner where it says delete 2 photos. I click on delete 2 photos, and those photos are gone. So you can bulk delete as many photos and videos as needed, again, by clicking on select in the top right-hand corner and placing that check mark next to any items that you want to delete. This should free up space on your iPad so that you can include more photos and videos of the work that your teachers may ask you to record and submit on Blend or Seesaw. So I've selected 40 photos. I can go ahead and click the trash can, and the last click is to delete 40 photos. Good luck!